Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We have made our way to Norway, as most of you will see, because we have Storm, the Dragon Legend, or the sign is behind us, the roller coaster. It's actually over there. We drove up to Norway this morning. Hello, Enza. You have your coaster top clouds? Yes, he does. He's very prepared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So excited.
Yeah, he is. So there, and we are.
We are very excited.
We are so excited. So we are here on a press release of the new roller coaster Storm, the Dragon Legend, here at Tusenfryd. It's a Friday.
Sun is shining.
I can't see any clouds whatsoever. And
it's quiet.
And there's that guy. You know, that coaster blog guy. Yeah, so that's awesome. I'm not sure how much of a vlog this will be, but we are promised that we will be allowed to film a real POV that we'll be releasing on the channel, but also a little bit of a vlog.
Yeah.
Not sure how long, but
empty.
And we will have a look at Dragonville, which is this new area of the park where we are standing right now. So they have...
Looks very themed.
Yeah,
so
you
nice.
can see the toilets over here. They have a fountain. Not a fountain, it's like a middle thing. You have the Sword in the Stone, which is awesome. Armeridare is a restaurant. The Dungeon, this is a haunted house. And you also have a souvenir place here. But they made this, I think it looks really good. I think it looks really, really cool. Last time we were here, it did not look like this. It's looking awesome. Let's see what Storm will bring us today. The entrance to Dragonville, the new area here at Tusenfryd. And the new star attraction in the park, Storm, a suspended Gerstlauer triple launch coaster, which is the first one in Europe. And it's seriously looking awesome. I heard there is some huge G-forces in this ride. It actually had a soft opening last Saturday, so it has been open for a couple of days. So they know it's running great. Let's have a look at here. This centerpiece of Dragonville. The Sword in the Stone. You kind of have to try to pull it out, right? No, I can't. It's very stuck. I think they're supposed to be able to take that out, like a Disney thing. It looks like it. I have to say, I like the signs here in this area. I like the concept. By the way, I have to tell you, you enter the queue over here. I was close with ropes, of course we are not going to go there. And then you walk all the way over here. Here's some cattle pen. They have single rider, by the way. So there's cattle pen lines over here. And then you walk that way. You see the thing that is coming under the coaster here? That is actually the exit. Love the light poles. That is awesome. I really like the theming of this. They did a great job. They're planting trees over there to like cover back this area after the construction, which is looking great. I hope we can get some really nice off-ride footage of this ride later. And we also got information. Normally it's a swing launch, so you will launch forward, you launch backwards all the way up there with a nice hang time, then you launch a third time, and then you complete the track. But today during the press release they will actually, since we're only 15 people, they will do 2 laps. So when we come back, we will not brake, we will launch again and we'll go one more time. We'll do 2 laps on this ride, which is freaking awesome. This is our first ever ride in Storm and our first ever real POV in Storm. I'm here with Martin. This is Coaster Vlog, and here we go. And it's supposed to do a real kick here now. There we go! Yes! Whoa. Okay, got some hang time there. And here we go! Wow! Wow! Oh, that's nice! Woo-hoo-hoo! And as I said before, we're gonna do a second one. And we do one more lap! Woohoo! Wow! It's a bit shaky, but I like the roller coaster. Wow! And the speed is... this is an intense roller coaster. Wow! Woohoo! Woo! Det där är bra. Du hade rätt. We are off the train. We're gonna have some we're gonna eat a little bit and have some water, some drinks. What do you think?
Of Storm?
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah.
But it's very shaky and it's kind of rough.
It's a very intense roller coaster.
Yeah, it is.
But it's awesome. It's a really fun roller coaster. What do you think? You couldn't ride it, Lilleman. But honestly, Storm is a fantastic roller coaster. But it is not for the faint of heart, because that is very, very intense. The launches are awesome, and the last inversion is fantastic. Again, we're here at the press release of Storm today. This amazing Gerstlauer triple launch roller coaster that is very intense. And it's such a fun roller coaster. I really recommend you going out here riding, or going here to Norway riding this amazing Gerstlauer crazy roller coaster. Storm the Dragon Legend. It is insanely crazy. It's really crazy. It's a really fun roller coaster. I have to say that I have taken 9 rides and I going for more. Here we go again. I have first time in a long time that I have like my heart is beating a little bit. This is the first time riding this roller coaster. This time we're riding in the back. The first back we go, as you can see. And it's going to be intense. I'm not going to be able to hold the camera again. Wow! That is just... Wow! Boy, my God, it's so good in the back! Wow! One more time! Woo! Oh yeah! I've done 32 laps in Storm. Let's have a look at the souvenir store of Storm. You can buy your shields, soft shields, swords, your princess dress, and of course, so you can look like a knight. Gothic shot set. They have ride photos and a little story. That's nice. This is the exit. Let's do that. I like the theming here. Let's do this. Let's do a walkthrough of the queue. Storm the Dragon Legend. So as I said before, you have the single rider and you have the normal queue. Let's do a single rider. It's a shorter one. And you get this great view of Storm when you're standing in line to ride this Gerstlauer triple launch roller coaster, which have quite crazy launches to be fair. I wonder if I did the single rider. I don't think I did. No, I didn't. I did the normal queue. Yeah, no, this is the single rider. Sorry guys. Yes, this is the single rider. This is where you come up to the station. This is where the normal queue comes out of the cattle pen here, and you come to this station of Storm to ride for your very first time. and you will walk through the souvenir store in amusement park, normal amusement park manner. But again, you have a great view of Storm over here. And it's a very empty park since it's a press release and there's basically no one here, which is awesome for us. So guys, we had a fantastic day at Tusenfryd.
Amazing.
It was amazing. What do you think of Storm now, a little bit after?
I liked it.
Yeah?
But it's rough.
Yes.
Still.
Yes.
But I rode it 10 times.
Yes, you did.
And you did?
36. Yes, 36 laps.
So it was not so bad, right?
No. I think it was a really fun roller coaster. I think Tusenfryd have made a great job together with Gerstlauer. That's a fantastic coaster. I'm very sure that enthusiasts will love that roller coaster. They will adore it, I promise. A lot of people will love that roller coaster. Anyway, great roller coaster. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and all of those things. Bye guys.
Bye.